So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to send money internationally on EQ Bank. Once the EQ Bank app is opened up, on the bottom bar, go ahead and select transfer. Then on this page right here, you want to go ahead and select right in the middle to send money internationally. Select that. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can send international money transfers. So in this case, if you wanted to send $100 from Canadian to USD, it's going to go ahead and show you the USD conversion. You can change this to like euros. You can change this to the pound. Whatever the case may be, you can see it right here. It'll also go to the bottom and kind of read more about this. And if this looks good to you, go ahead and press next. It'll then explain to you that it's going to be sending international money transfer via the Wise app. So if you already have a Wise account, you can select that. If not, press on next. So once all your information is confirmed, you can go ahead and select the account that you're transferring from, as well as the amount here and the conversion. So if this all looks good to you, you can go to the bottom, press on next, and then proceed this way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to send money internationally on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.